Good afternoon and welcome Nosegay. We, the enthusiastic students of Class 8W, are delighted to stand before you today to share our thoughts on a theme that holds deep significance, the position of women.
Throughout history, women have been the backbone of society as mother, sister, leader, and changemaker. Yet their journey toward equality has not been easy. Despite the progress we see today, many challenges still remain, reminding us that the path of true equality is ongoing.
Through this presentation, we aim to reflect on these struggles, honor the progress achieved, and inspire everyone to envision a world where every girl can rise boldly and achieve without barriers. The time for silence is over. The time for empowerment is now.
Before we begin, let us bow our head. Let us bow our head in gratitude and seek the blessing of the divine, the source of all strength and wisdom. Let us now call Sejal for the morning prayer.
Please stand up and join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for the prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Trisha to come forward and share with us today's inspiring thought of the day.
A woman is the strength that nurtures a home with love, guides a family with values, and shapes a society through her actions. Her role is not just to connect relationships, but to guide generations in the right directions. I repeat my thought. A woman is the strength that nurtures a home with love, guides a family with values, and shapes a society through her actions. Her role is not just to connect relationships, but to guide generations in the right directions. Thank you.
Women are the pillars of every society, to set behind every civilization. Without them, progress has no meaning. Today we have gathered here to engage in a thoughtful discussion on a very significant theme, the position of women.
In ancient India, women held a highly respected place in society. They were allowed to study, engage in debates, and even choose their life partners. Renowned scholars like Gargi, Maitri, and Lopamudra were admired for their wisdom.
In the medieval era, the condition of women worsened. Basic and educational rights were denied to them. Evil practices like sati, child marriage, and pardha system became widespread.
Social reformers worked tirelessly to uplift women. Rajaram Mohan Roy fought against sati and helped abolish it. Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule opened schools for girls.
After the independence, government introduced many laws to protect the women's rights. Equal opportunities in education, jobs, and politics were increased. Gradually, the women gained more respect in the society.
The government started 33% reservation for women in panchayat schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and self-help groups supported women in education, business, and self-reliance.
Indian women had made nation proud globally. P.T. Usha, Mary Kom, Sainia Nehwal, and P.V. Sandhu and Mithali Raj earned international recognition.
From Indira Gandhi, first woman Prime Minister, to Pratibha Patel, first woman President, India has witnessed strong women leaders today. Draupadi Murmu, Mamata Banerjee, and Nirmala Sitharaman hold important positions.
Women now serve with pride in Army, Navy, and Air Forces. Brave officers like Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanetkar, Gunjan Saxena, and Tanya Shergill are inspiring examples.
Women have contributed significantly to science and space research. Dr. Tessa Thomas is known as a missile woman of India. Astronauts Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams become international icons.
The SP of our city, Dr. Amrita Dwan, is a brave and capable officer. In Ganganagar, she worked tirelessly to maintain peace and safety.
Homemakers are the backbone of society. They manage household works, nurture children, and provide emotional stability to family.
In 2025, the Indian women's cricket team created history by winning their first ever World Cup.
They defeated South Africa and made whole nation proud. Players like Shefali Verma and Dipti Sharma showed their courage and teamwork. Their win proved that when Indian women dream big, they achieve it.
Women in technology. Nowadays, many women working in computers, new technology, and they are making our country stronger and smarter every day.
Sahaj, can you tell how much progress India has made in women's literacy after independence?
After the 1947, the country witnessed a major transformation in education. In 1951, the male literacy rate was about 27%, while the female literacy rate was only 8.9%. But today, the male literacy has risen to nearly 84% and the female literacy to over 70%. This shows how far we have come toward equality, yet there is still a long way to go.
The collector of our city, Dr. Manju, is an inspiring administrator. With her honesty and leadership, she has earned respect in governance.
Despite progress, women still face gender discrimination, domestic violence, workplace harassment, and dowry cases. Rural women especially continue the struggle.
A nation cannot progress without empowering its women. Educated and empowered women contribute to the families, the economy, and society.
Some important rights given to women are Right to Equality, Article 14, Hindi Succession Act 1956, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Domestic Violence Act 2005, Equal Remuneration Act 1976, Maternity Benefit Act 1961.
With better education, digital literacy and government support, Indian women can become global leader. Empowerment will shape a brighter and inclusive future. Thank you.
Dance is not just a movement of step, it is a language of emotion. Now presenting a beautiful classical dance, a blend of tradition and grace.
युगों युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शाहों से ऊंचा जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती वही शक्ति है नारी। छोटे से नन्हे हाथों में अपनी जैसी ही प्यारी गुड़िया संभाले छोटे से कच्चे धागे से सारी उम्र का तो रिश्ता बना ले तुझसे ही है रोशनी तू ही जीवन तू खुशी अब संगा तू धूप में साया बने तुझसे शुरू दुनिया सारी तू ही है माँ तू प्रियतमा तू ही है बेटी हमारी कई रूप है तेरे
जब कोई तुम्हारी काबिलियत पर शक करे तो खुद को साबित करने की कोशिश और करो। जब ठोकर तुमको गिरा दे तो उठने की कोशिश और करो। जब राह अंधेरी लगने लगे तो मशाल बनकर एक कोशिश और करो। और जब भी कोई तुमसे कहे तुम यह नहीं कर सकते तब एक कोशिश और करो। प्रेजेंटिंग बिफोर यू मोटिवेशनल हिंदी पोम बाय सीरत।
नारी आओ बोलो, वर्षों से जो बंद पड़े हैं उन नैनों को खोलो। नारी आओ बोलो, अब तक जो पुरखों के पीछे, अब तक जो बंदिशों के पीछे, अब तक जो रूढ़ियों के पीछे और अब तक जो घूंघट के पीछे ढांप रही है अपने मुख को, छोड़ के पर्दे बोलो। नारी आओ बोलो, सबसे पहला प्रश्न करो उन माताओं से जाकर, रोई जो लड़की होने पर हंसे पुत्र को पाकर। नारी होकर नारी को ही छोटा समझा सबने, नारी होकर नारी ही क्यों लगी हिद्दे को चुभने। भेद किया क्यों तुमने जब ना भेद किया था रब ने, दोनों को ही एक जैसा भेष दिया था कुदरत ने। दूध मांगते पुत्र तो क्या हम रक्त तुम्हारा पीती, दोनों के आहार एक से हम भी यूं ही जीती। पूछो कि बेटे से ज्यादा हम भी चाहती क्या, ममता और आंचल से ज्यादा हम भी मांगती क्या। अन्न अगर बेटे को देती हम भी अन्न ही खाती, बेटे से तो अन्यत्र हम भी सोना नहीं चबाती। नारी कोई बोझ नहीं, शक्ति की पहचान है, जिस घर में उसका सम्मान नहीं वह घर नहीं वीरान है। ममता और आंचल से बढ़कर अब दुनिया को सच बतलाना है, चुप रहने का समय गया अब अधिकार जताना है। चुप रहने का समय गया अब अधिकार जताना है। धन्यवाद।
Today we are presenting the position of women, a journey that reflects the transformation of women's status from the ancient period to the modern age. Once restricted, later struggling, but today strong and self-reliant. So let's witness of the women's journey through the three eras of time.
Today we present you a beautiful journey, the journey of women through time, a story that celebrates the great strength and progress of women from ancient to modern India.
From the wise women of the Vedic era to the fearless heroines of the medieval period, women have always been the heartbeat of change and progress.
So come with us as we travel through centuries of transformation in our script journey of women through time.
Our journey begins in the ancient period around 1500 to 500 BCE, known as the medieval period, a time where women were respected as the symbols of dignity, intellect and knowledge. Let us meet two remarkable women of this golden age, Gargi and Maitreyi, who changed the way the world viewed women's education and wisdom.
I am Vidushi Gargi, a renowned woman philosopher of the Vedic age. In my time, most women were confined to the household, but I studied the Vedas and meditated with the great sages. I proved that knowledge belongs to everyone. My message to today's women: knowledge is true power. Never be afraid to seek it.
Before me, most believed that women's duty was only at home. But I, Maitreyi, studied the Vedas and discussed philosophy with my husband, Sage Yajnavalika. After me, women were respected as seekers of truth and wisdom. Through my example, I encouraged women to take part in education, spiritual learning, and uplifting their position in society.
Indeed, ancient India was a time when women walked beside men with honor and equality, but as time passed, society began to change.
We now move forward to the medieval period between 1200 and 1850 CE, a time when women's freedom was declined and voices often silenced. Yet in this challenging era, some women rose with unmatched courage and strength.
Let's meet two such women, Razia Sultan and Rani Lakshmibai, who proved that no darkness can hide the light of bravery.
And now from the 19th century, we welcome the brave queen, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, born in 1824 CE. She became the symbol of courage.
I am Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. In 1857, I fought bravely against the British rule. In those times, women were considered weak, but I proved that a woman is the true symbol of strength. My message to today's women: stand firm for your rights. For a woman is not just gentle, she is powerful.
Even in times of struggle, the women kept the flame of courage alive. They paved the way of the modern India.
I am Rizia Sultan, the first woman ruler of Delhi. In my time, women were denied the right to rule or decide, but I proved that leadership is not limited to men. During my reign, I promoted justice, equality, and education.
Now begins the modern period from 1850 to the present, when we stepped up into every field: politics, science, education, and leadership. Let's meet the women who defined modern India and inspired the world.
Born in 1879, we welcome Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India, who inspired thousands with her word and leadership.
I am Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India. I am a poet, freedom fighter, and a voice for women's rights. In my time, women were confined to their homes, but I chose the path of education and freedom. People loved me for my courage and my words.
Now, from the 20th century, we welcome Indira Gandhi, born in 1917, who made history as India's first woman Prime Minister.
I am Indira Gandhi. I am the first woman Prime Minister of India. I led the nation from 1966 to 1977 and again from 1980 to 1984. In my time, very few women were in politicals, but I proved that a woman can lead the entire nation. I made bold decisions and always put my country first. My message to today's women: never fear to take decisions, for courage is true strength.
From the world of science and space, welcome Kalpana Chawla, born in 1962, the first Indian woman to reach the outer space.
I am Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman in space. I prove that dreams have no limit. My message: the sky is not to be seen, but to be reached.
Now we meet a young global icon, Malala Yousafzai, born in 1997, who became the youngest Global Peace Prize winner for her fight for girls' education.
I am Malala Yousafzai, the voice for girls' right to education. In my time, many women were denied right to learn, but I spoke up despite fear.
And finally, we welcome the pride of modern India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, born in 1958 and serving as the 15th President of India since 2022.
Before me, Draupadi Murmu, few women from tribal communities could imagine such height. But with dedication and faith, I become the first tribal woman President of India. After me, every woman's no dream is too distant when you work with determination. I have worked for the upliftment of tribal women and shown the leadership belongs to every woman is regardless for her background.
Now from the 21st century, we welcome Miss Universe India, Manika Vishwakarma, who brought glory to our nation with her confidence and grace.
Before me, girls from small towns were told that their dreams were too big, but I proved that self-belief and courage can break every barrier. After me, I want every girl to know that you can be anything you dream to be.
From Gargi to Draupadi Murmu, every woman has carried the torch of progress and equality.
Their grace built the world we live in, and their stories continue to inspire generations.
We are the daughters of strength. We are the voice of change. From ancient to modern and beyond, women have always shined with pride.
What an inspiring journey from wisdom to bravery, from struggle to courage. Every woman has led the way.
Let us salute every woman, past, present and future, for her power, passion and perseverance. Because when the woman rises,
the whole world rises with her. Thank you and Jai Hind.
कहते हैं जब शब्द कम पड़ जाए तो सुर और ताल दिल की बात कह देती है. संगीत सिर्फ सुनने की चीज नहीं, महसूस करने की ताकत है. And now I would like to invite some girls of our class to enchant us with a melodious Hindi song.
कोमल
भी तुझसे हारी है, मौत भी तुझसे हारी है। धन्यवाद।
Music inspires and unites the soul. To celebrate the spirit of women, let's enjoy this beautiful English song. Please welcome our performers with a big round of applause.
Morning eyes, I can stay alive, watching stars. I could walk you by, and I tell without a thought, you'd be mine. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. I'll match me fell in love, and I'm under moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us still with the waves, the ocean is colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always bring me to you. I'll match me fell in love, and I'm under moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us you with the waves, the ocean is colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Poetry has the power to express emotion beautifully. Now I would like to invite Samia to recite an English poem.
She was told to whisper, but she chose to roar. They built her a ceiling, she opened a door. They handed her rules that never meant right, but she followed the truth, her own inner light. She walked through fire, she walked through fear, with unshaken courage year after year. Not born to be hidden, not meant to obey, she painted the sky with her own array. Empowered not by silver or gold, but by spirit, fearless and bold. So here she stands with the dreams in her eyes, breaking the silence, touching the skies. No one can stop her, no one dares, for she is the answer to a million prayers. Thank you.
Sometimes the word fails to express what the heart feels, and that's when the sweet melodies of songs talk directly to the soul. Let us now take you into a magical world where words are silent and magic speaks, presenting an enchanting musical instrumental performance.
Dance is the best way to express our feelings. So now some students of our class are going to present a beautiful group dance.
कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है, जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है, जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को झूम ले। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है, जो हीर में बदलती है, जो ढाल में भी ढलती है, जो एक पल में अग्नि है, जो एक पल में नींद है, जो पत्थरों की स्याही से खींची हुई लकीर है। वो आ गई तो सिक्के तो नदी का रुख भी मोड़ेगी, जो ले लिया है एक बार प्रणव करके छोड़ेगी, लाख उसके इम्तिहान ले ले कोई भी डगर, न दर्द की उसे फिकर, न चोट का ही कोई डर। यहाँ तू है, सब वहाँ है जहाँ तू है, कदमों में तेरे जन्नतें बिछी है, जलवों में तेरे
शोहरतें छुपी
तू खुदा
की दुआ सब्र से रब ने तुझको सजाया सूप सूप जग तू है साया तेरे रूप में सब कुछ पाया रह के जमीन पर आसमां तूने छुआ है आसमां तूने छुआ है आसमां तूने छुआ है तू उड़ाने आसमां तूने छुआ है सवेरा यहाँ तू है सब वहाँ है जहाँ तू है